Make money online selling digital products for affiliate marketing. Use AI to make faceless YouTube videos, online courses, blog posts, and ebooks in minutes. Use automated marketing to make $18,000 per month in passive income.
Welcome to your first step towards financial freedom. Like many people, I used to struggle with my finances. I was just scraping by, barely making ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck. Within the same week, my car broke down, my landlord raised my rent, and I got fired from my job. I was about to throw in the towel and move back in with my parents, till everything changed when I met a Buddhist monk. It was June 21st, 1991. On a whim, I attended a free meditation seminar at the Fairmont Hotel in San Francisco. There, this aged monk said, spiritual liberation requires financial freedom. He said, in the East, this was done by giving up all of your money and becoming a monk. In the West, it should be achieved by making so much money that you are free of any worry and complication. Within 10 days, I had created my first passive revenue stream, making $3,000 a week. And from there, 6 months later, I was making over $100,000 a week to what I have for you today. And this is my method for creating passive revenue streams in just a few hours. Achieving this without a big investment, without risky schemes, I am sharing a simple method for creating turnkey passive income. And I'm bringing this to you because I want you to have financial freedom. My name is Ajahn Sambara, and I'm a Buddhist teacher. And don't worry, you didn't accidentally click the wrong video. I ran a multi-million-dollar company for 24 years, showing thousands of people how to make passive incomes by doing what I'm going to share with you today. This is all from my book that gives you a step-by-step action plan for success. So subscribe now and click on my course link in the description. I will give you a free copy of my book.
Subscribe now and check out an example of a video used in an online course that makes $18,000 per month in passive income. This video demonstrates high-quality, high-value content that effectively teaches people how to make money. And using AI, this video was created in just a few minutes. Now ebooks, blogs, and your own faceless YouTube channel and online courses are within your grasp. Here's the video. Today, you'll learn a lucrative YouTube affiliate marketing strategy known as unboxing videos. I'll start by explaining what unboxing videos are and their effectiveness in generating revenue. Following that, I'll introduce you to the conscious cash flow strategy designed to amplify sales through this method. I'll guide you step by step through the process of executing a successful unboxing video campaign, ensuring you have all the tools and knowledge needed to profit from this popular YouTube format. Let's first understand the essence of unboxing videos in affiliate marketing. Unboxing videos have emerged as a dynamic and effective affiliate marketing strategy on YouTube, engaging audiences with the anticipation and excitement of new product discoveries. Creators like Estella from Study to Success utilize this format to showcase and explore tech products, providing viewers with a first-hand look at the unboxing experience. What makes these videos particularly compelling for affiliate marketing is the integration of affiliate links in the video descriptions, which facilitates easy purchasing for viewers and drives product sales. The appeal of unboxing videos is not just in the content but also in their significant search popularity, evidenced by over 90,000 monthly searches on YouTube. This high search volume reflects a strong and sustained viewer interest in this content type, offering creators a substantial platform to reach a wide audience. By leveraging this format, affiliate marketers can effectively showcase products, capture viewer interest, and enhance product visibility. The combination of engaging content and strategic marketing through affiliate links positions unboxing videos as a lucrative and reliable avenue for generating revenue on YouTube. Now let's look at how to multiply these returns by doing the conscious cash flow unbox and connect. The collaborative discovery campaign. This campaign blends trend-focused unboxing with creator collaboration, enhancing viewer engagement through storytelling and real-life application. Interactive elements and high-quality production, paired with easy-access QR codes and affiliate links, streamline the purchasing process. SEO optimization and social media buzz increase visibility, while post-launch activities and user interaction further boost affiliate revenue potential. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Identify a niche trend. Research trends. Find a trending product or category within your niche. For instance, if you're in the gaming sector, it could be the latest gaming console or accessory. Select a product. Choose a product that is trending but not yet saturated in the market. Step 2. Develop a unique unboxing angle. Unique perspective. Plan to unbox the product in a unique way that hasn't been done before. For example, unboxing while using the product in a real-world scenario. Storytelling approach. Incorporate a storytelling element into your video, like unboxing the product in a relevant setting or integrating a narrative. Step 3. Collaborate for greater impact. Collaborate with another creator. Team up with another YouTuber in your niche. This collaboration can provide a new audience and add an interesting dynamic to the unboxing. Joint unboxing. Conduct a joint unboxing session where both you and your collaborator bring your perspectives. Step 4. Enhance with multimedia elements. Interactive elements. Use graphics, pop-ups, or annotations to make the video more interactive and engaging. High-quality production. Ensure top-notch video and sound quality to make your unboxing stand out. Step 5. Affiliate link optimization. QR codes for mobile viewers. Include QR codes in the video for mobile users to easily access the affiliate products. Customized affiliate links. Create customized and easy-to-remember affiliate links. Step 6. SEO and social media integration. Optimized video SEO. Use targeted keywords for SEO optimization in your video title, description, and tags. Social media teasers. Release teaser clips or behind-the-scenes content on social media platforms to build anticipation. Step 7. Engage and analyze. Active engagement. Actively engage with your audience in the comments section to build a community around your channel. Analyze performance. Use analytics to track the performance and adjust your strategy for future videos. Step 8. Leverage the content post-launch. Follow-up content. Create follow-up content such as detailed reviews or tutorials using the product. User-generated content. Encourage viewers to share their own experiences with the product, creating a community-driven campaign. In summary, the Conscious Cash Flow Unbox and Connect campaign effectively enhances affiliate marketing earnings by combining trend-focused unboxing with creative collaboration and storytelling. This approach, enriched with interactive and high-quality content, user-friendly affiliate links, and strategic SEO and social media integration, not only boosts viewer engagement but also simplifies the purchasing process. Post-launch engagement and leveraging user-generated content further amplify the campaign's reach and impact, making it a potent strategy for creators seeking to maximize their affiliate marketing revenue in a dynamic and audience-engaging manner.
I hope you enjoyed that video. The information in the video is great. It was informative, it offered a way for making money, and it gave actionable steps. This is what everyone is looking for, a practical guide telling you how to make money. My way for turnkey passive income is this: selling information products to people who are interested in ways of making money, such as someone who would click on this video. Each passive income stream makes me $18,000 per month, and it only takes a few hours to set up. So subscribe now and click the course link in the description below, and then you can learn about the courses. It's really a workshop, and it's free, and I'll also send you my ebook.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.